In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Metatrader 5 to Bybit. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
First, you'll want to begin by opening your Metatrader 5 application. If you haven't already installed it, make sure that's done ahead of time so we're ready to jump in without any hiccups. Once you're in the Metatrader interface, direct your attention to the top left corner where you'll find the File menu. Go ahead and click on that. This menu provides several options to manage accounts and connections, and it's where we'll initiate the connection to Bybit. From the File menu, the next step is to select Open an Account. This option is crucial because it sets the stage for connecting to new servers, which in our case will be Bybit. When you select Open an Account, you'll trigger a window that prompts you to choose a server. Here's where you can add new trade environments or connect to your preferred brokerage network. Now, with the server selection window open, the list of available servers may seem extensive or straightforward depending on your prior interactions with the application. What you need to do next is search for Bybit. You can typically do this by entering Bybit in the search bar, allowing Metatrader to filter the results for you, saving you time and effort. After successfully finding Bybit in the search results, your next move is to select it from the list. A simple click here will direct Metatrader to recognize Bybit as the trading server you want to link to. At this junction, ensure your internet connection is stable as any disruptions might affect the process. Once you've clicked on Bybit, you may be prompted to log in or verify your trading account credentials. While this step is not explicitly detailed here, you'll use the login information that corresponds with your Bybit account. Always keep your login credentials secure and never share them publicly to protect your trading assets. And there you have it, your Metatrader 5 should now be connected to Bybit. This setup allows you to start trading and managing your assets seamlessly. Remember, staying informed and vigilant when managing accounts online helps maintain security and enhances your trading experience. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, don't hesitate to refer to the platform's help section or reach out to their support teams. Thank you for joining me today in connecting Metatrader 5 with Bybit. Stay tuned for more guides to optimize your trading journey, and happy trading.